guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install a new dash cam for the Supra. Let's do it. All right, here is the Supra. It's beautiful. I just washed it and I just washed the car and it looks amazing. But today we're going to install a dash cam. This dash cam is super cool because it has 3 channels. It has one camera from the front, one for the interior, and another one for the rear. But let's open the box. Let's see what comes inside on the box. Alright guys, so this is everything that comes inside of the box. So let me tell you, this is the USB cable, the charger with the cigarette lighter, but this one has a Type-C connection. Alright, and this is the camera. It's very nice, but this one doesn't have a screen. Okay, this one you think you can connect it with your cell phone. This is the rear camera, cool, and this is the interior, cool. So this one has 1, 2, 3 3 cameras. All right, so this one is for the interior camera. This one is 1 meter long, the cable. This one is 6 meters for the rear camera. We're gonna put it on the back. I think this is just like a filter for the sun. It has a trim tool, instructions, and I think this is to put the SD card. Okay, so let's install this on the car. Let's do it. Alright, one more thing. This one has 3 cameras. Okay, the interior camera is 1080p, the resolution. The rear one is 1080p, the resolution, but the front one I think is 1440. I'm gonna put the right resolution over there, but the resolution is better than some other dash cams out there. So it is great, and it has a Wi-Fi connection right here, so you can connect this one with your cell phone. If you are in an accident, you can get the file with the Wi-Fi. Cool. So, and it has a night vision. All right, but let's put it in the car. Let's see how good it is. Okay, I just found out that this one comes with a USB adapter for the micro SD memory card. Some cameras, some dash cams, they don't come with this. You have to get an adapter in order to see the files on your computer, but this one, it comes with that. It's amazing. I like it. You can see it here. Cool. So now let's see. Oh, I think before we put it there, let's connect the wires. If not, it's gonna be very hard to connect them with the camera under. Let me do that first. Okay, the first one is the interior. I'm gonna connect the interior right there. Oh, okay, you just push it in, and that's it. And then the next one is the longer cable. Okay, you just push this one in like this until you see a click. So that's there. For now we're gonna have the wires hanging, but later we're gonna hide them. Alright, so now I can remove this. So now the interior. Alright, so now for this one, it has this big thing. That's the only thing. I'm gonna hide it. Okay, let me see. Yeah, I got it. So one is hide. Then this one is easier to hide. This one just push side there. Okay, so we got almost everything, but I'm not gonna tuck the cables right now because I wanna test it first. So let's put the rear camera and let's see if it works first. Okay, I'm reading the instructions and I have to format the memory card to FAT32 system. So let me do that first before we continue with this. So now I have to download this app. This is VIOFO app. That's the brand. So connect to the camera. Let's see. Connect. Oh, we have to turn it on. Okay, let me connect this. Let's turn on the car. Let's turn on the lights.
Recording. 3 channels started.
Oh, ho, ho. What is this? Press the Wi-Fi button. Let's press the Wi-Fi button. Let me see. Let me just.
Wi-Fi enabled.
Wi-Fi enabled. Right here, I got it. Password. Wi-Fi connected. Okay, now the app. Let's see the app. Next. Let's see what's going on. Connect dashcam. Says okay. Okay. Woo! Yeah. All right.
Recording. 3 channels started.
Recording. So let's go around. Let's go this way. All right. As you can see here, the resolution is super nice. So this is the front camera is a 2K. I think it's 1440p the resolution, and it looks great. Amazing. I love it. Both the interior camera is a 1080p resolution and the rear camera is 1080p too. Okay, only one note that I want to add for the files. If you want to see the files, you have to use the app, because if you don't use the app, if you just remove the SD card and try to put the files on the computer, for some reason the file looks like it's in a slow motion or something. So use the app with your phone and the files will be fine. Okay, so don't remove the SD card from the dashcam and put it in the computer. It's better if you download the videos that you want to download to your phone, and you can see it in there and it will look perfectly, very fine. So other than that, the camera is amazing and I love it, and now you will see something very cool. Okay, let's test this guy. Well, I go. Okay, let's test this guy. Well, I go. Okay, so we did a little bit of a race, but we beat an Audi. I think it's a RS4, I think. But okay, that's good for today. Cool. Alright guys, finally you can see the rear camera, the cable goes there, and the cable is hidden under here. Okay, I put it under here and it goes here, oh, to the dash cam, and then the power goes here, under there, here, this one. Okay, I'm gonna try to get a hardwired thing to hide this one, because I don't want to have this here. So I'm gonna get a hardwire kit. I'm gonna make a video that one. I'm gonna make a video for that one too, to hide it better. But for now, you can see the camera. Ooh, man, beautiful. And the other camera, yes, you can see there, beautiful. It looks super cool. All right. So you already saw the videos, the quality is very good. Okay, so this is my new dash cam. The brand is VIOFO. Let me put it, VIOFO. So that's the brand. It's very good, and this is the model A139 3-channel camera. Okay guys, that's the dash cam. The link for this dash cam is gonna be on the description on the video down below. Let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments. This dash cam is amazing. It's a 3-channel dash cam, so it has 3 cameras and I love it. So If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.